What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing the Fuelpak by Vance & Hines. Alright, so this is basically a tuner that you can just plug up to your motorcycle. It's very simple. Yeah, so included it's the Fuelpak FP3. It's an iOS start guide, an Android start guide, and then for the sensor data you can view vital information direct from the bike in real time from any iOS and Android device. So you can auto-tune it. It has precise tuning for the user's unique intake and exhaust combination with an FP3 proprietary auto-tune system. Support. Get direct access to FAQs and other form or of customer support directly inside the Fuelpak FP3 app. So let's go ahead and open it up.
So I'm actually going to be installing it as well today, so we don't need no instructions. I already know how to install this. Go ahead, tear out the plastic. There we go, throw the plastic away.
So here it is. Box feels pretty nice. It says made in USA. So let's go ahead and open it. Pull it out. So here it is. This is literally it. So this is what it looks like. It has a 6-pin connector. You just connect this to your motorcycle, which I'll be showing you in a bit. Comes with an installation guide, but we won't be needing this because I will be showing you guys how to install it. And yeah, this basically just has a lot of shit. But yeah, guys, keep you guys updated. So just before you guys get any further in the process, make sure you download the app first before you connect it, just so you can have it ready. And yeah. Alright, so you're gonna want to download the app, and then after you download the app, you're gonna want to locate the connector. So in this case, I have a Sportster 2018, so it's gonna be here. So I'm gonna take this cap off and then plug this. Okay, so you're gonna want to install this one. So it's a 6-pin. So the 6-pin, you're gonna want to locate this thing right here. So you locate this, you just pull this out, pull that off. It's gonna look like that. You're gonna plug this up right here, and you'll see. So you just plug this up here. It's plugged up. And boom. So we're not gonna leave it hanging like this, obviously, but you just get your key, turn it onto the run position. The lights should be flashing in a bit. There we go. So once the light flashes, you pull out your phone and connect to it with the Bluetooth or the app. I just connected it to my phone, so now we're ready. I'm gonna go get some zip tie that up, and I honestly recommend buying this Fuelpak. It's a really inexpensive tuner. You could literally see everything through your phone, so that's why I would recommend this over tuning it at the Harley dealership or whatever. But you can get this on Amazon, eBay, anywhere. I bought this on Amazon for like $500, not too bad after taxes. But yeah, so next thing I'm gonna need to get is I'm gonna fix up the seat. I'm getting new tail lights for the turning signals. I'm probably gonna change these out to some LEDs, and yeah.